Evening friends, and welcome to my channel Nifty Se Aage, and welcome to the weekly wrap. Friends, in the week which went by, I had told you that Nifty would maintain a range of between 15,750 and 15,500. Friends, as you could see, on an intraday basis, on one day Nifty went up to 15,799, but by and large, on other weekdays, Nifty maintained between 15,750 and 15,500. It took support around 15,568, and from there it bounced back. But all in all, for the whole week, the Nifty did not make much movement. It was hardly 40-point movement in the last week. Now friends, what lies ahead? See, we are now gaining new highs almost every week, sometimes even every day. So, from the highs, it is very natural that a sell-off is going to come in between price movements on the upside. But if you ask me for the next week, friends, the critical level to watch for are 15,840 and 15,740. On day one of this weekly series, we saw Nifty opening gap up and then retracing quickly to 15,749, and once again it bounced back and closed near 15,800. From the opening and closing, there was hardly any movement during the day. Now friends, in the remaining 4 days, the critical levels to watch are 15,840 and 15,740 on a closing basis. The reason why I say this is because if you see past few days, Nifty is trading in a very small range, and the range is becoming even smaller now. So when the range becomes very small, there is either a breakout or a breakdown. So friends, in case Nifty closes above 15,840 on a closing basis, you need to be bullish for this week. On the other hand, if Nifty closes below 15,740 on a closing basis, then you need to be bearish for the remaining part of the week. If it closes above 15,840, then in that case it can make a move towards 15,900 and 16,000. While on the other side, if it breaks 15,700, then it can revisit 15,600. And friends, this time when it breaks 15,600, then don't try to go long or don't try to buy calls, because friends, unlike last time when it took support at 15,584 and bounced back, now this week it took support at 15,568 and once again bounced back. This time it might not bounce back and may cut deeper. On the other hand, if it closes above 15,840, then have no doubt it can go up to 15,900 and 16,000 levels can be seen during this week. Friends, the larger players are clearly hedged on both ends, which means they have their positions on the call side as well as on the put side. So, for them to take the direction of the market from one end to the other may not be very difficult, which means a market which would be trending around 15,840 or 15,850 can suddenly fall 200 points and go near 15,600 within a day. Such kind of big volatile moves can be expected in this week up to at least Tuesday. So friends, you need to take proper care. I have told you the levels, clearly a 100-point range of 15,740 and 15,840. Whichever side is broken will tell us whether it will be a breakout or a breakdown, but it is imminent that now this range, very tight range, has to be broken this week. And friends, remember, it can be both sides also. It may so happen that the Nifty may go up to 15,900 and then suddenly fall to 300 points. It may also happen that it might go to 15,500 level and then close at around 15,800. So, this week you can see very big moves also coming as the tight range is broken on either side or both sides during the week. So friends, accordingly take care. Market is trending at all-time high, making new highs. So you need to be very cautious also, because as you know or you may not know that at higher level market remaining in such a tight range for so many days indicates clear cut distribution days, and once the distribution is over from the large players to retailers, then you can actually see a sharp sell-off where the retailers who have invested in shares will get trapped for some time. So friends, do take care, and in case you want to learn a very good hedging strategy for weekly gains lifelong, you can join my WhatsApp group by messaging me at 90739 15315. I would handhold you into a strategy which can give you gains all your life every week. Thank you friends. Take care. Remain safe.